Hi guys, let us know about SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP is a global market leader in enterprise application software. The company develops enterprise resource planning ERP software that helps for large and small organizations to manage their business operations, finances, supply chains, and human resources in a single integrated system. And let us know about SAP landscape. SAP has three servers, which are development server, quality server, production server. All the development activities will take place in a development server, and all the testing activities will take place in a quality server. And in production server, we can perform the operations in live. And in some companies, there will be a pre-production server also. Now, let us know about SAP architecture. There are three layers in SAP architecture: presentation layer, application layer, database layer. If all these three layers, such as presentation layer, application layer, and database layer, is present in a single system, then it is known as a one-tier architecture. If presentation layer is present in one system, and if application layer and database layer is present in another system, then it is known as a two-tier architecture. If all these three layers are present in different systems, then that is known as a three-layer architecture. In three-layer architecture, presentation layer, application layer, and database layer, all these three layers will be present in different systems. Now, let us know, why do we need SAP? We need SAP because SAP is very user friendly, reliable, it is very easy to process, accurate and instant, and it is very easy to access, it is very affordable, it improves effectiveness, it support all fields, deployed globally, and it is very user friendly. Now let us know about very important topic in SAP, which is SAP components. These are the SAP functional modules. There are two modules in SAP, that is functional modules and technical modules. Functional module consists of finance, which is known as FI, and controlling, which is known as CO, sales and distribution, which is known as ST, and material management, which is known as MM, and production planning, which is known as PP, and plant maintenance, which is known as PM, and quality management, which is known as QM, and project system, which is known as PS, and human resource, which is known as HR. All these modules comes under functional modules, and in technical modules, it consists of SAP ABAP, SAP Basis, SAP PIPO, which is process integration and process outcome, SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform, and mainly SAP ABAP is the major technical module which is uh, which is used to write a code. ABAP means Advanced Business Application Programming. ABAP is a programming language where we'll write a code in a development server.